Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our journey southbound on Interstate 77 through Virginia, a region rich in history and natural beauty. This 66-mile stretch connects West Virginia to North Carolina, winding through the picturesque landscapes of Bland, Wythe, and Carroll counties. Our drive begins near the East River Mountain Tunnel, an engineering marvel that opened in 1974, linking Virginia and West Virginia. This tunnel allows us to pass directly through East River Mountain, offering a seamless transition between the two states. As we continue, we enter Bland County, named after Richard Bland, a statesman and advocate for American independence. The county is characterized by its rolling hills and is home to portions of the Jefferson National Forest, providing ample opportunities for outdoor recreation.
Thank you very much.
Further along, we approach the Big Walker Mountain Tunnel, which opened in 1972. This tunnel cuts through Big Walker Mountain, and is part of the scenic beauty that defines this region. Emerging from the tunnel, we find ourselves in Wythe County, named after George Wythe, a signer of the Declaration of Independence. The county seat, Wytheville, is known for its historic charm, and serves as a crossroads for Interstate 77 and 81. Continuing south, we enter Carroll County, named in honor of Charles Carroll, another signer of the Declaration of Independence. The county seat, Hillsville, is known for its historic courthouse and the infamous 1912 courthouse tragedy, a significant event in the town's history. As we near the Virginia-North Carolina border, the landscape offers stunning views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. This area is renowned for its natural beauty, with rolling hills and lush forests that provide a picturesque backdrop for our journey. Throughout this drive, Interstate 77 not only serves as a vital transportation route, but also offers a scenic journey through a region steeped in American history, and adorned with the natural splendor of the Appalachian Mountains.
Thanks for watching!